I'm Michael from QLQ Enterprise. Now let me introduce our nylon zipper slider mounting machine and cutting machine, two function into one. This machine, the length is 180 centimeters and the height is 145 centimeters. From the left side, you can see here is 4 wheels to fix the nylon zippers. You can put the zippers, the teeth onto the downside. Then you put the slider onto the vibration plate. Here we'll come to the channels. The slider will come one piece by one piece by piece from here. And then you turn on the power. You can choose English systems and put into the date you want. For example, the length of the zipper and the quantity you want to make. Then you can press the start like this. This is the finished product of our zippers with a slider on it. You can make different lengths. The minimum length is 7 centimeters. The maximum is 90. You can make 90 centimeters length.